Actually, the rationale is we have a lot of aspiring para-athletes in the Philippines. So since Chairman Pato Gregorio came in, he told us to get more athletes, especially the para-athletes kasi talagang yun yung kulang eh. So right now, I think this is the biggest delegation, itong 13th ASEAN dito sa Thailand. So yun.
So do we have a lot of new athletes for this?
Yes, yes. Oo, kasi actually halos lahat ng new athletes were talagang teen, talagang youth siya. Some some were in the Dubai last year do sa Asian Para Youth Games. So sinama na rin namin dito since yung age naman nila pwede na. So ito na start. Saka yun yung mga mga Paralympic sports, yung mga most of our new athletes.
So how good is this na we're getting more and
Well, it's a big boost sa mga para-athletes natin. Ako, ako para-athletes kasi sila yung medyo hindi masyadong nabibigyan ng pansin. Pero syempre, ngayon, since nandito kami, ano na natin sila, tsaka nagpupunta tayo sa mga provincial all over the Philippines. So, nakukuha natin sila. Ayun.
so can you give us any your thoughts lang? PSC added 6K, 6,000 pesos more sa allowance for our para athletes.
Yeah, actually it's just parang to boost the morale of the athletes. Hindi lang syempre support na sa uniform, sa supplies. Syempre may added rin dahil medyo matagal kami dito sa Thailand, tas malayo pa sa city, sa Kurat pa kami. So medyo parang province siya.
Sir, I'm sure that